Hey everybody, Travis here from Bruneau Co Auctioneers, and on Thursday, November 12th at 6 p.m., we are going to have an absolutely phenomenal auction that's going to drive all you TCG Pokemon fans crazy. It is 62 lots of just Pokemon cards. There are absolutely some killer cards in that auction and some true holy grails of the hobby. So make sure to check out the catalog, bidlive.bruneauco.com. Bidding is also available on AuctionZip, Invaluable, Live Auctioneers, and the Bruneau Co app, which you can download on iTunes and Google Play. So here are our top 5 lots of the night, and the auction action starts at 6 p.m. Lot number 2, Blastoise Base Unlimited in a PSA 10. Now, Blastoise is the number 2 card in the game next to Charizard in terms of iconic character, and it doesn't get any better than a PSA 10. And these Base Unlimited cards have just been screaming the past 6 months because the first edition and Shadowless market is just so hot. A lot of people can't touch it. Bringing us to our second highlight of the night, lot number 3 on a Base Unlimited Charizard. Again, PSA 10. I mean, a first edition Charizard of PSA 10 today is easily over $200,000, which has just caused the Base Unlimited cards to skyrocket. This card is easily going to sell for $25,000, $30,000, maybe even more. It's definitely going to be a lot to follow. Lot number 16, another favorite of the catalog, a Base Shadowless Pikachu, but printed with red cheeks. Now, the red cheek variant is very early print of the card. It is tough to come by in the Shadowless print, and again, it is a PSA 10. Now, Pikachu, Ash's sidekick. For some reason, the Pikachu cards have never reached a Charizard-type level, but he is just such an iconic character. This card keeps going up in value. The red cheeks variant is definitely one to keep an eye on. Lot number 20, definitely going to be the hot item of the night, and most definitely the most expensive lot. Now pay attention, it's not just a Base Unlimited booster box. This is a Shadowless booster box. How can we tell? It has the green wing Charizard art. It has the single U.S. country stamp on the bottom of the box. But most importantly, it has the non-branded Wizards of the Coast. No Wizards of the Coast emblem, cellophane wrap. You put all 3 of those things together, you are looking at a very early printed unlimited box, 99.99% positive. That is a Shadowless box. It doesn't get any better. It has all 3 checks off the list to make sure, hey, that is a Base Shadowless booster box. I mean, who knows? A first edition box today is easily over $500,000. This is the next best thing. It is a true holy grail of Pokemon. In lot number 21, I threw this in there as my 5th favorite item of the night because if you can't afford, spending 6 figures potentially on a sealed Shadowless booster box, you can buy 6 Base Unlimited packs, factory sealed. These are estate fresh packs. They have not been weighed, and they are 100% guaranteed factory sealed. We know they're unlimited. They're the dark blue print, has the red trading cards emblem above on the topper end of the pack. Nice lot, 6 factory sealed packs, so whether you want to keep them sealed and get them graded or you want to rip packs, it's a great lot to chase. So again, Thursday, November 12th at 6 p.m., Bruneau Co Auctioneers Pokemon Card Auction. Make sure to check out the catalog. It's going to be a ton of fun, and the best part, it's probably the shortest auction you're ever going to attend. Maybe be out of there in about an hour. So if you have any questions, make sure to email us, info@Bruneau Co. Reach out on Instagram and Facebook @Bruneau Co. And make sure to catch them all.
That's BRUNEAU.